Your breakfast isn't as great as you think. Those perfect healthy breakfasts on your feed? Oatmeal, smoothie bowls, avocado toast, they are absolute garbage for your performance. Stop being a sheep. Is your healthy habit the reason you're crashing at 2 p.m.? Your breakfast is marketing hype, not health. It's a joke. I put my body on the line. 1 week, 7 breakfasts. I tracked every gram of energy and focus. Results? Shocking. Today, I reveal the 3 elite winners. Science doesn't lie. Listen up. Day 1. I started with the ultimate wellness lie. The green smoothie. Spinach, banana, mango, water. It looks pretty for your followers, but it's a sugar fire hose to your system. Stop pretending it's fuel. The result? It tasted fine, and I got a fake burst of energy. Then, 11 a.m. hit me like a sledgehammer. Total energy crash. Brain fog. Zero focus. I was starving for lunch before the morning even ended. The science. Blending fruit turns natural sugars into free sugars. No protein, no fat, just a massive glucose spike, followed by an inevitable energy crash. You're trading long-term performance for a 60-minute sugar high. Stop it. Day 2. A classic breakfast. Instant oatmeal, brown sugar, raisins. The box says, heart healthy. I say it's industrial mush, designed to make you weak and hungry. Marketing has lied to your face. My experience? Complete garbage. It felt warm. But 90 minutes later, I was empty. No focus, no drive. I was hunting for snacks while I should have been working. It's a disgrace to your productivity. Here's the order. Understand the glycemic index. Steel-cut oats have a low GI of 53, but instant oats? They're pre-processed trash with a GI of 83, basically white bread. Add the sugar, and you've built a roller coaster. Day 3. The millennial icon. Avocado toast, whole wheat bread, and fat. You think you're being healthy? You're being lazy. Healthy fats alone won't win the war. You're missing the most important weapon in your arsenal. It tasted good, but the staying power was a joke. I felt okay, but I wasn't dominant. By 11:30 a.m., my stomach was screaming. My concentration was fading. I was operating at 50% capacity. Unacceptable. The science is simple commands. Carbs plus fat equals an incomplete mission. You are missing protein. Without it, you won't trigger satiety as much. It's not unhealthy, it's just a weak strategy. If you want to perform, you need a complete profile. Day 4. I ate that crunchy, sweet trap. Healthy granola. The bag says organic and whole grain. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing. You feel virtuous buying it, but you're sabotaging your biology for a crunch. The experience? Like eating candy for breakfast. I was jittery and frantic. Then I crashed harder than a failed startup. By mid-morning, I was exhausted. I felt worse than if I hadn't eaten at all. This science is infuriating. Granola is a sugar trap. Brands hide 15 grams of added sugar behind names like cane juice. It is a marketing scam designed to spike your insulin and ruin your day. Throw it in the trash. Before I tell you what the winners are, just like and subscribe quickly. Also, let me know what your go-to breakfast is in the comments below. Day 5. Total game changer. Full-fat Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a tiny drop of raw honey. This is how you fuel a machine. This is protein, probiotics, and fiber acting as one unit. The difference was night and day. I felt solid. My energy was a steady flame, not a flickering candle. No 11 a.m. slump. I crushed my work straight through to lunch. My mind was sharp. Execute this science. Greek yogurt gives you a 20-gram protein blast. Chia seeds provide the fiber. But listen, the fiber is a prebiotic that feeds the probiotic bacteria in the yogurt. It's a gut health strike team. The synergy is non-negotiable. Day 6. The king of breakfasts. 4 eggs, real sourdough, and mixed berries. This is a balanced strike. Protein, fat, and complex carbs. This is how you prepare for mental warfare. No fluff. The experience was elite. This gave me the highest mental clarity of the week. My focus was unbreakable. Energy stayed clean past noon. I wasn't even hungry until 1 p.m. I was productive, sharp, and in total control of my day. This is the standard. Learn the science. Eggs are a powerhouse, specifically for choline. Choline builds acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter for memory and focus. Pair that with low GI sourdough and antioxidants from berries. You aren't just eating, you're fueling your cognitive dominance. Day 7. Final mission. The unconventional beast. Lean ground beef, dates, and avocado. High-quality animal protein and elite fats. If this sounds weird, you're too soft. It's time to eat for results, not for comfort. I felt like a tank. The fullness was off the charts. I've never felt more stable in my life. My energy was a rock. No peaks, no valleys, just pure dependable power for hours on end. The science is undeniable. 25 grams of protein from the beef. A UCLA study proved that adding half an avocado to a meat patty supports normal blood flow post-meal. The fats balance the protein. A full week later, the truth is out. The losers, smoothies, instant oats, plain toast, granola, are sugar traps or protein-deficient failures. They make you weak. The winners? They are in a league of their own. The 3 elite breakfasts, Greek yogurt and chia, the gut health powerhouse. Synergy for sustained energy, eggs and sourdough, the brain booster. Choline for focus and mental dominance. Ground beef and avocado, the anti-inflammatory champ. Total satiety and stabilization. If you have the discipline to change your life, especially with beef for breakfast, smash that like button. Comment below right now. Which winner are you executing tomorrow? I want to see results. No excuses. What is the lesson? A great breakfast is a simple formula. Stop cutting calories. Stop blending fruit like a child. You must balance the trifecta: protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Every loser missed a piece. Every winner had all 3. Protein and fat signal fullness. Fiber slows the burn. That is how you get sustained power. Stop falling for the marketing lies. Build your breakfast around these principles and dominate your day. I promise you will feel the power. For more videos that cut the garbage with real science, subscribe. Now get to work.